Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. A big win for the culture last night as dancehall and reggae represented on the international stage. The BET Hip Hop Awards 2020 for the first time showcased a Jamaican type of cypher. Filmed in Jamaica, the artists brought potent Black Lives Matter and poor people defending lyrics, flirty puns plus a jab at Billboard at the 2020 Hip Hop Awards.
You make me feel like BET me feel like but not take my lights.
Hey, I take the bitter with the sweeter. Moon up the sun, thank just for me a breathe. Power to my people, real kings and the queens. We've got the fire that'll burn them regime. Cold world
Alone, ja me shop around. Me not carry no Glock around. Chop up it chop when me rap it double back around. And I know that alone. Them can't stop we know. Them couldn't get to you. Teflon come with the metronome. Youths are too proud and run for them safety.
Poor people governor, busting the lyrical murderer. Me flyer till me a fi governor. Think about me youth every sufferer. Cause this a beer style, freestyle. I know we style, but me lyrics them a kick like a gun recoil. As the time pass, me style get iller.
What day me do the verses? Me I wonder if a baby can love us all them curses. Cause the Billboard magazine come out what day them never reveal us. Thank God that I'm a genius, a musical Nostradamus. So big up Josie Whale and Super Cat and Nicodemus.
Now still on the BET Hip Hop Awards, Megan Thee Stallion ruled the night. The Savage artist was the top winner, taking home Hip Hop Artist of the Year, Hustler of the Year, and Best Duo with Beyonce for Savage Remix. Her mega hit went on to earn Beyonce a second award for the Sweet 16 Best Featured Verse Award. Song of the Year went to Roddy Ricch for The Box, which he also performed.
Have passion, like Goyard, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, yeah. Shot that to the floor, yeah. Ah, whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these no more.
And his first studio album, Please Excuse Me for Being Antisocial, snatched Hip Hop Album of the Year. Pop Smoke, who was killed earlier this year, was posthumously awarded Best New Hip Hop Artist, with Quavo performing a tribute to him with Aim for the Moon and Shake the Room. The annual BET Hip Hop Awards was filled with magical performances, including Closer from 2 Chainz and Lil Wayne, a female cypher with R&B giants, Brandy, Erykah Badu, Tiana Taylor and Her, plus Nigerian reggae dancehall superstar Burna Boy performing with Chris Martin with a powerful End SARS message. Good show. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.